Hi there, my name's Melinda Smith. I'm one of the poets who's included in this anthology, the Women of Words Anthology 2016 to 2018, put together by the wonderful Janette Hoppe. And I'm going to read to you my piece that's in that. Before I start, I'd just like to acknowledge that I'm reading to you from Ngunnawal and Ngambri land, and I'd like to acknowledge and pay respect to the elders past, present and emerging of those communities, and also to extend respect to any First Nations folks listening in or watching today. So the piece that I'm going to read for you is called Manifest, and it's about making. It's about how difficult it is to make something, and also how out of control it can get once you've made it. And it's kind of in the voice of the creation, talking back to the creator. Manifest. If you must make me, draw me forth through that needle's eye. Have a care for this raw skin, what abrades it, how it may be sliced and sutured. I was pure electricity, pure simian ululation. If you must cage me, box and bottle me, frankenbirth me in a clumsy bucket, you will learn the sorrow of mangle and botch, of the warp and the scorch mark. You will see it is no sorrow. With luck, I may multiply, I may layer, matrix, palimpsest, I may go choral, become geology. Take your hand from me, set me among a swarm of eyes. As they move over me, they will mark me too. Thanks very much.